Now we can discuss about fundamentals of successful content marketing. Fundamentals that are essential to any successful content marketing program. Understand your business objectives. You are not creating a content marketing program for fun. You are creating it to accomplish a business objective. The first fundamental of a great content marketing program is to define the business objectives you want your program to accomplish. These objectives can include brand health, marketing optimization, revenue generation, operational efficiency, customer experience, and innovation. Those are the in business objective. The most thing is service, quality, and quantity. Those are most important. Once you have identified the business objectives of your content marketing efforts, you need to go buy in from the C suite to make it reality. Then second point is get executive buy-in. Your executives should hold the keys to the resources your current content marketing program needs. If you can't get your executives buy-in and keep it over the years, your program is toast. Don't lead the creatives when talking to executives. Your executives may like to see pretty mock-ups, but those don't sell a program. Instead of creatives, lead with dollars and cents. This is the language of the C-suite. This tie the program to business objectives. How will we? How will the program be better than other programs at achieving specific objectives? Show how you will measure the strategy. This will be discussed in the fifth fundamental. Lay out the budget and the expected return the C-suite should see as a result of the program. Then the third point is in successful content marketing fundamentals. Understand your audience pain points. Audience pain points are also most important. The point of your content should be to solve your audience problems, not to serve as an ad for your products and services. This is most important. So, likewise, if you understand the pain points of customers, then you will be successful in your business and business objective and the success in all means. So, wishing you all the best. May God bless you.